Hey guys, so today I wanted to tell you a little bit about reverse psychology branding. Now, it can be a lot of fun. I do it myself with Baldylocks Does Marketing, where I use self-depreciating humour. A lot of comedians tend to use self-depreciating humour, and it gets people coming back for more. But there are many campaigns which have been run using reverse psychology branding that are absolutely fantastic. Patagonia ran one called Don't Buy This Jacket, which was really, really good for their sales. I believe they went up by about 30% during the campaign, which was really good. And that was a campaign against overconsumerism. Dove ran some ones which are similar. I believe it was their natural beauty campaign, which was encouraged people to look into their natural beauty. And when you think about it, Dove is really a sort of beauty product, so it seems counterproductive to do this, but it increased their sales. You've also got things like Rudy's Barbecue, which was they put themselves out as the worst barbecue in Texas. So all of these different things can be a little bit of fun. They can be enjoyable, and while they may seem a little bit counterproductive, they can also do the thing which we all want, which is increase sales. Anyway, hope this helps, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye.